Hello, I am Greek Yogurt and I am here to take over the world. Just kidding, but I do have facts for you about the sun. So here's the first one. Did you know over 1 million planet Earths could fit in the sun? That is a lot of Earths. And here's number 2. The sun is almost a perfect sphere. Wow. 3. The sun's center is 15 trillion degrees Celsius. It is 27 trillion 32 degrees in Fahrenheit. That's a lot! So hot. Did you know that the sun is 4.6 billion years old? It's even older than I am! The sun is 109 times wider than the Earth and 330,000 times as massive. Oh my goodness, it's so big. 6. Light from the sun takes only 8 minutes to get to Earth. If I were traveling that fast, I would probably fall off. 7. The sun is 93 million miles away from the Earth. My car couldn't travel that far. And that is all I could find. And these facts are from Space Facts. The end. Hello, I am Greek Yogurt again, and I am still here to take over the world, but I changed my plans into taking over the universe. I'm still kidding. But now I have facts about Mercury. Did you know that a year on Mercury is only 88 days long? That is so short. Did you know that Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system? I think it's still bigger than me, but it's pretty tiny. Did you know that Mercury has wrinkles? It sounds like my grandparents. Did you know that Mercury is the second hottest planet? Not first. It's so weird. Did you know that Mercury is the most cratered planet in the solar system? Must have had a lot of asteroids hit it. 6. Only 2 spacecraft have ever visited Mercury. That is so tiny. Although if you visited Mercury, you would probably melt by the sun. 7. Mercury does not have any moons or rings. It is the bland planet. 8. A day on the surface of Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. That's long! 9. No one knows who discovered Mercury. So it could be I. Just kidding, I didn't. And these facts were from Space Facts yet again. Bye! Hello, I am still Greek Yogurt, and I am still taking over the solar system. You guys really need to know that I'm not taking over the solar system. I just still have facts about planets. Today's Venus. Did you know that Venus doesn't have any moons or rings? Well, that's different. Also, Venus is almost as big as the Earth. I say almost because it's still pretty small. 3. A day on the surface of Venus lasts 117 Earth days. If I was on Venus a whole day, that would be I'd be like 30,000 years old. 5. The surface temperature on Venus can reach 471 degrees Celsius. That's 879.8 degrees Fahrenheit. I would burn. Did you know that Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets? Well, that's cool. 7. Did you know that Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky? Whoa. Maybe I can be that bright someday. Did you know that Venus is often called Earth's sister planet? I didn't know that until I read this. 9. Venus is also known as the morning star and the evening star. Ooh, that's cool. And our last one, 10. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Not Mercury, but Venus. It's weird, I know. These facts were from Space Facts. It's Greek Yogurt here again. I'm still gonna take over the world. I changed my plans again. Just kidding. I really need to know to stop doing that. But today I have more facts about Earth. Did you know that the Earth's rotation is gradually slowing? So someday it might be stopping. Cool. Did you know that the Earth has a powerful magnetic field? That's cool. 3. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Whoa. Wahaha. Did you know that Earth is the only planet that has conditions suitable to live on? So if I were to go to any other planet, I would probably die. That's nice to know. 4. Did you know that Earth is the densest planet in the solar system? Ooh, that's pretty cool. 5. Earth, 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Well, that's cool, so that means 30% is land. That's awesome. 7. 97% of all water on Earth is salt water, 2% is frozen fresh water, and 1% is non-frozen fresh water. Well, that's really cool. All these facts are from Space Facts, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hello, I am Greek Yogurt still, and I am still here to take over the solar system. Just kidding, but I do have facts about Mars for you. Did you know that Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system? Whoa. 2. Only 18 missions to Mars have been successful. That's so little. Did you know that Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system? So if I went there, I would probably be covered in dust. That's nice to know. Did you know that the sunset on Mars appears blue? Whoa. So on Earth, it appears like orangish, but on Mars, it appears blue. That's pretty cool. 5. Mars is named after the Greek god Ares. Well, that's pretty cool. That's cool to know. 6. Pieces of Mars have fallen to Earth. I wonder which parts. Sounds interesting. Did you know that there are signs of liquid water on Mars? Ooh, I like. 8. In 20 to 40 million years, Mars will have a ring. Just like Saturn. That's cool. These facts are from Space Facts, and I hope you like this video. Bye! Hello, I am Greek Yogurt. I'm not taking over the solar system today, but the Asteroid Belt. Well, I don't think I could take over the Asteroid Belt, but here are some facts from it. Did you know that the Asteroid Belt objects are made out of rock and stone? Ooh, that's fun. 2. The asteroid belt contains billions and billions of asteroids. That's more than I can count. 3. Some asteroids in the asteroid belt are quite large, but most are the size of pebbles. Teensy weensy little pebbles. 4. Us humans know of at least 7,000 asteroids. Well, that's really a lot. 5. The asteroid belt has billions of objects, but they are spread out over distances. I wonder if I could float through space, but without getting hit. 6. Asteroids get their names from suggestions from their discoverer, and the asteroid is also given a number. So if I discovered one, it'd probably be like 7,000 something, and I would make it Greek Yogurt the second. 7. Gravitational forces can pull asteroids away from the asteroid belt. So maybe one could come to Earth, because I think they already have. Whoa. These facts are from Space Facts, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! I'm still Greek Yogurt, but now I have Jupiter. I want to take this over, but I don't think I can. But I do have some facts from Jupiter. Did you know that Jupiter is the fourth brightest object in the solar system? Whoa, so it's really bright. Jupiter has the shortest day of all planets. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Jupiter orbits the sun once every 11.8 Earth years. That would take a long time. I'd probably be like 13. Did you know that Jupiter has unique cloud features? Well, that's pretty cool. 5. The Great Red Spot is a big storm, so big that 3 Earths could fit in it. Whoa, so I'd probably fit in it like more than 1 billion times. Did you know that Jupiter's interior is made of rock, metal, and hydrogen compounds? Well, that's really cool. Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, is the largest moon in the solar system. I wonder how big it is if I visited it. It'd probably be really big. Did you know that Jupiter has a thin ring system? Ooh, that's really cool. 8 spacecraft had visited Jupiter. That is tiny! I hope you enjoyed this video, and these facts are from Space Facts. Hello, I am Greek Yogurt. Today I have Saturn, and I really want to take that over, but I don't think I can. But I do have facts. Yay! Did you know that Saturn can be seen with the naked eye? So I could see it with my eye without anything. That is awesome. 2. Saturn is the flattest planet. Looks pretty flat to me. Did you know that Saturn orbits the sun every 29.4 Earth years? So if I did that, if I was on Saturn and I orbited the sun one time, I would be 32 by the time I orbited it all. Did you know that Saturn has oval-shaped storms similar to Jupiter? So maybe, well, it is close to Jupiter, so I think I know why. Did you know that Saturn is mostly made of hydrogen? What? Whoa. 6. Saturn has the most extensive rings in the solar system. They look really long. Did you know that Saturn has 150 moons and moonlets? Moonlets are smaller moons, if you didn't know. That's pretty cool. Did you know that 4 spacecraft have visited Saturn? Only 4? These numbers are getting smaller and smaller. These facts are from Space Facts, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Hello, I am still Greek Yogurt. I have Uranus here today, but I don't want to take this over. It seems too cold for me. But I do have some facts about it. Did you know that Uranus was officially discovered by Sir William Herschel? I wonder who he is. Sounds interesting. Did you know that Uranus makes one trip around the sun every 84 Earth years? If I were to make a trip around Uranus, if I was riding it, which I never would, but if I was, I'd be 86 by the time it did a full orbit. Uranus is often referred to as an ice giant. Well, it is giant and it is made of ice, so I understand. Did you know that Uranus hits the coldest temperatures of any planet? It's negative 371 degrees Fahrenheit. That is freezing! Did you know that Uranus has 2 sets of very thin rings? Well, I don't see it on the picture, but I understand that it would have rings. Did you know that Uranus's moons are named after characters created by William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope? Whoa! So, one of their moons could be named Hamlet. I love it. And our last fact is only 1 spacecraft has ever flown by Uranus. Whoa! This number is the tiniest one of them all. So tiny. These facts, again, are from Space Facts, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. I'm Greek Yogurt, and this is my last planet that I'm doing. And this is Neptune. I don't want to take this over. It'd still be too cold for me. But I have some facts for you. Did you know that Neptune was not known to the ancients? Whoa, so it's fairly new discovered, I guess. That's cool. 2. Neptune is the smallest of the ice giants. Well, why is it called an ice giant if it's small? It should be called an ice baby. 3. Did you know that Neptune has a very active climate? Whoa. 4. Did you know that Neptune has a very, very thin collection of rings? I can't see it on this picture, but it sounds really cool. Did you know that Neptune has 14 moons? Whoa. I wonder what their names are. I'd like to meet them. 6. Only one spacecraft has ever flown by Neptune. Well, that's the same as Uranus, but it's still tiny. These facts are from Space Facts. I hope you enjoyed this series of videos, and that's all I wanted to say. Bye!